Scripting is a law of attraction technique where you write a story about your life based on how you want it to be. Pretend you're writing your autobiography and you are writing the best version of your life story from this day forward. You can write about anything you want to manifest, it doesn't have to be your whole life story. If you want to attract a new job, weight loss, a new car, or a better relationship, you can write a story about each of those things. You are the writer and you can tell your story exactly as you want. Scripting requires you to write your story as if it has already happened, focusing on how you would feel when your desire manifested. How does it feel to drive down the highway in your new car? How does it feel to sit at the dining room table in your new house, while you drink your morning cup of coffee or tea? How does it feel to go shopping for clothes, only to discover that all the sizes you're trying on are too big, you need a smaller size because you've reached your goal? Scripting works best when you only write words that make you feel good. It helps keep your vibrational energy high so you can draw what you want to manifest to you quickly, so be sure to keep it positive and try to have as much fun as possible. Scripting shouldn't be taken so seriously that you stress over getting every word right. That will only create resistance and make it harder for the law of attraction to work. Keep scripting light-hearted and go with the flow. Enjoy the process and let your imagination take flight. Creating your script. Be clear about what you want. Example: I want a new bed. Why do you want it? I want a new bed so that I can sleep better. How does it feel to have it? I love my new bed. It's so nice to wake up refreshed and eager to greet the world. My back feels so much better every morning as I stretch deliciously. It feels so good to just lie in my new bed, absolutely carefree. I love the feel of my mattress. I love the touch of my sheets on my skin. My life just keeps getting more and more fabulous all the time. Make it believable. The more you believe it's possible, the faster you'll see results. If you feel resistance, make your script more general, i.e., use fewer details, amounts, etc. Be grateful. Express gratitude in your script for what you want to attract as if you already have it. It can be as simple as, thank you, thank you, thank you. Read your script regularly and you'll bring your vibrational energy into alignment with your desires, causing them to manifest in your life. Daily Law of Attraction Scripting. Scripting is something you can do every day to create your day in advance. Whether you want to manifest a nice drive to work, to be a big success during a presentation, or to have some quality time with your kids, write a script for it. You can script every element of your day or just a few highlights. There's no need to limit yourself to one part of your day or to feel like you have to plan everything. Do what makes you happy. You can write your script in the morning or the night before, whichever works best for you. Just remember to write about it as if it's already happened, focusing on the emotions. Whether you're doing a daily law of attraction script or you're scripting your whole life, it doesn't matter whether you use pen and paper or a computer. What are you going to manifest next with scripting? Please, let me know in the comments below. I would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to me. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier lives. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this How to Script Your Way to the Life You Want video, and I will see you on our next video.